Hey friends, if you wish to check the driver version in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's not difficult. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar, open Device Manager, and then expand the list of, let's say, any driver. Let us say the Bluetooth driver. Expand it. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth driver, select Properties, and go to the Driver tab. It will mention the version here. Sometimes you may have the option to roll back the drivers, and at times you might not. If you wish to make sure that you have the latest version, simply click on Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. And keep updating it till you have the best drivers installed on your system. Usually, Windows Update itself pushes the latest drivers to your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.